A 6-minute egg. Let's make that dish. All right, some grits. I got the water boiling. It's 1 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of grits is a portion. And you pour it just like you're doing polenta or something like that. You just pour it in kind of slow. This isn't instant grits. This is just regular grits. And whisk it in a little bit. And what I got here is boiling water, but I knocked it back to a strong simmer, and I'm going to do 6-minute eggs. 6-minute egg is kind of like, it's not a soft-boiled egg, it's not a hard-boiled egg, it's not so much like a poached egg, but it kind of falls somewhere in between there, and I like them a lot, and they're really easy to do, but you got to time them correctly. And if you're worrying about the egg breaking, you could put a pinhole in the fat end. I never do. If the shell isn't cracked, it's not going to crack. So put this on for 6 minutes. A simmer, like a strong, not a strong simmer, about, if I measured, it's probably about 170 degrees, something like that. It's not a rolling boil, but it's not a dead flat simmer. It's kind of in between, and then you'll see how it comes out. They're really good. And let me put my grits on the dish. I got a cup of ice ready because this will get drained, cold water, ice put in right away. All right, let's see how these did. See there, that's in ice water. This pot is now freezing cold. All right. When you're peeling these, they peel just like a hard-boiled egg. You just got to be careful because you don't want to mess it up or break it because yolk will go everywhere. Look. See how nice? All right, there is a easy breakfast with the 6-minute egg. So let's see what that egg does. You ready? Check that out. And there's what the 6-minute egg looks like. See, it's almost kind of poached, but not quite. It's not hard-boiled. It's not soft-boiled. It's a really good egg. All right, let's give this a go. Excellent. Not a bad breakfast.